Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Twilio Verify for secure no-code signups, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the Twilio Verify login URL. Press enter to navigate to the login page. Look for the login fields on the screen. Enter your Twilio account email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check for any typos in your email and password. Once confirmed, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a prompt. Check your authentication method for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. You will now be logged into your Twilio Verify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Look for the section related to API keys or project settings. Navigate to the appropriate area for secure no-code signups. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access this feature. Review the documentation provided by Twilio for additional guidance. You are now ready to implement secure no-code signups using Twilio Verify. Follow the next steps based on your specific project needs. Always keep security best practices in mind during implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.